Hey folks, it's William with All Solar Texas. If you're running into issues with your HOA allowing you to build solar on your property, don't worry, I got great news for you. Stay tuned, I'll tell you all about it. Hey folks, thanks for joining the channel. But before we dive in, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap on that notification bell. That keeps you up to date with all the latest energy news that we produce here on the channel and also helps us out with YouTube a little bit. Lastly, don't forget to email us. Give us a call, send us a text message. We love hearing from customers and we're here to help you. All right, well, winter is here. We've been talking about it for a long time, and guess what? Winter is here. It is freezing cold outside, but guess what? I have the wonderful opportunity to meet with a customer that is building a home here in Iola, Texas. So what does that actually look like? Well, we're out here at the lot right now. As you can see, they've kind of staked out some of the areas where the house is going to go. But he wanted me to come out here because he's been having a little bit of an issue with his HOA. His HOA is telling him that he can't build solar because it's not within their guidelines. Well, I got news for you. Last September 1st, Texas passed a law that now HOAs have to let all homeowners put solar on their property. Now, they can restrict it, so they can, make sure that it matches a certain design. Maybe they won't permit ground mounts, but you could still have it on your roof. There's different nuances to it, but the HOAs are no longer allowed to unreasonably prohibit you, the customer, and the home builder from putting solar on your property. So where do we come in? Well, that's where we work directly with your HOA, not only on the design of the solar system to make sure that it matches all their specifications, but also on what the actual solar system is going to do, where it's going to be placed, where it's going to be located. We work with them to make sure that they give you the thumbs up on your solar design so that you can move forward with the project. Now, you may want to put in generation as well. Well, we got good news for you. HOAs are really great about working with us to let generation and generators also get installed along with your solar system. So end to end, we have you covered. Now, don't forget that 26% federal tax incentive for solar is ending this year. In fact, it goes down to 22% starting next year. Don't fall behind. It is freezing cold out here right now, right? ERCOT let us down again. Don't even think for a second that these utilities are going to take care of you. Claim your energy independence. Give us a call. Protect your power. Don't be left in the cold. Don't be left with these outrageous utility bills that keep going up and up and up. And don't let your HOAs fool you into thinking that you can't install solar or a backup generator on your property. Give us a call at All Solar Texas. We're here for you. Thank you and God bless.